In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and set up Outlook 2024. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you're ready to use this powerful email client smoothly and efficiently. We begin by opening up your Google Chrome browser. If you prefer using another web browser, don't worry, the process remains quite similar. Once your browser is open, head over to the address bar at the top of the window and type in microsoft.com/outlook, then press enter. This will take you to Outlook's official page where you can find a variety of options and resources about the service. Upon arriving at the website, your primary focus should be on selecting the correct version of Outlook 2024 tailored to your operating system. Whether you are using a Windows computer or a Mac, there'll be specific options available. Look for the option that matches your setup, as this influences the compatibility and performance of Outlook on your computer. Being attentive to this detail can save you potential issues down the line and ensure you get the best experience from the software. Now, with your correct version selected, it's time to proceed with downloading the application. Click on the download button, which should be prominently displayed on your screen. This will initiate the downloading process, and depending on your internet speed, this could take a few minutes. Once the download is completed, the next step is to follow the installation instructions. These steps are crucial as they will walk you through the setup process, usually involving accepting license agreements, choosing your installation preferences, and finally clicking Install to commence the procedure. Be sure to pay attention to each prompt. These are designed to ensure your new Outlook application works smoothly. After the installation is complete, it's finally time to launch Outlook. Find the newly installed program, which can typically be found on your desktop or through your system's app launcher. Click on the icon to open it. As you launch Outlook for the first time, you'll be asked to sign in. Use your existing Microsoft account for this, but if you don't have one, you can easily create it right there by following the on-screen instructions. Signing in is essential as it enables all your email, calendars, and contacts to sync seamlessly across your devices. Ensure your account details are correct to avoid any login issues. And there you have it. Outlook 2024 should now be ready for you to explore and use to organize your communications more efficiently. As you get started, take some time to familiarize yourself with its features and settings, as customizing them to better suit your personal or professional needs. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might benefit from it. And as always, feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions.